All right, guys, got a 2005 Scion X8. We're changing this airbag module. So if you guys need some part numbers, these are the numbers right here: 89170-52420. Found this on eBay. It was about like 60-70 bucks, but if you ordered it from junkyard, it cost us 100 bucks. It's gonna even out with tax and shipping. But anyways, the module is located right there. So first thing, you want to disconnect the battery, positive or negative. The reason why we're changing this is because the car got flooded. As you can see, this module had water damage, but it has four really tight bolts. So what you want to do is, you just want to pull this carpet really hard. It has a clip here, it has a clip there. We took a lot of stuff apart, but you don't need to do none of this stuff here because you're gonna have no access. But if you want to, you're gonna have a little bit of room right from over here. You're able to disconnect the connectors from right over here. You can see my finger moving in there probably. And what you want to do is you want to move this bolt, and there's two bolts on the other side. On the other side, you pull this module forward a bit, this side, and disconnect everything. And to take out the little bolts, you're gonna use this torque kit. Let me tell you the size here. This is T40. That's what we used. And I could not get this one off right there. So what I did was I spliced it with the air cutter, and I used a flathead on that. And that's how I got that off. But anyways, make sure you tighten all four bolts in once you get everything in there, because this does need to be solid. It cannot move because it has this little sensor in here. So when the car crashes, that impact causes the thing to move inside, and it sends a signal that airbag needs to be deployed according to the crash sensors in the front. Anyways, 30-40 minute job. Yeah, and don't forget to disconnect the battery before you start anything. So once everything is plugged back in and your bolts are in, what you want to do is connect your battery, and just be careful. Put the key in the accessory, start the engine, and just let it run for 5-10 minutes. So this is ready to go. No more airbag light. That thing should disappear in a moment. There you go. And got the seat belt in. If I disconnect it, you're gonna have the seatbelt signal there. That's fine. And just test it out. Okay, there you go. And belt signal goes away. Bada bing, bada boom, all done, set to go. Thank you for watching.